A pleasant good afternoon to you, my viewers. Good morning. We are here at the construction site of the International Airport, and this morning we'll be having a tour with the cabinet. They will give us updates on the construction taking place right here. Members from Chinese delegation, ministers of government, the Prime Minister of Dominica and his wife, Honorable Elizabeth Skerritt and Melissa Skerritt. We also have Samuel Johnson, who is the manager of this project. What you're seeing ahead of me is that the Prime Minister is greeting the Chinese workers, or the delegation as you refer to them. These are our local employees right here. So presently we are going to visit the tunnel. As you know, they are constructing a tunnel right here on the site. So this is where the tunnel is being constructed. Can you tell us what is happening here?
Okay, so right now we are looking at the base, which is the blinding layer of the tunnel, and they are setting up the scaffolding for the inner structure. So we have some areas you can see the blinding and the waterproofing have already been laid, and the rebar for the base and the side walls. So all of these are 20-meter sections, and we fill them in alternatively. As you can see over there, we have the cushion layer. Right there, we have the cushion layer. They are pouring concrete for the blinding in the next section, and then we have the rebar going on in the other section.
So
The reinforcement
okay, so the runway will be going above the tunnel.
above the tunnel. So let's say just to give you a bit of alignment where the concrete truck is being poured right now, the runway should go in that direction
Wow.
to Woodford Hill.
All right.
As you can see right now, they are putting the water stoppers membrane that goes between each section.
Okay. So because we'll be passing on the
Underneath, yes,
wow,
with the runway above.
that's a big move for
It's a big
Dominica.
move for Dominica. We have all the drainage systems already in place. So right now we are dealing with the actual structure of the terminal, of the tunnel, sorry.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
All right, so you just heard. This is the construction of the tunnel right here. And this is where we'll be passing to go through Wesley, Marigot to the east. So we have the entire government ministers here. We have the Minister of Public Works, the Minister of Tourism, the Minister of Health. We have the entire cabinet here on site, and they are just doing a site visit of the construction of the international airport. At the end of this tour, we will meet at one central location where they will brief us as to what is going on and updates, give us updates. But as of now, I can just show you the tour that is ongoing. Let's see if we can talk to a few of them, one of the ministers, to give an insight to tell us what they think about the work going on so far. We have the PS of tourism, Mr. Claudius Lestrade. Good morning. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I am good. Happy New Year to you.
To you, many more returns.
So far, what do you think about the work going on here?
Excellent, good work, beyond comprehension. If you want to see what $1 billion looks like, just come here.
Thank you. All right. This is our PS of tourism. We're just trying to mingle and interact. Have a little word with, persons on the ground. Well, we are here to show you the progress that is going on here. So this is our first stop. We are moving along to the terminal building pretty soon. Then we move, I think, to the runway. We have the power rep for the Marigot constituency as well in the house. Yes. So we are moving along. Please bear with me. My umbrella is here and it is very hot. It's a hot, hot day in Dominica. Very hot. But thank God for the sun. Those of you joining us, thank you so much for joining us this morning. It's our pleasure to bring you the news and the updates across Dominica. I hope you can hear me clearly. If you can hear me clearly, give me a thumbs up. We are heading on the runway. This is the runway. Right now, I am a plane. I will choose JetBlue. And this is the runway right here.
It's 3,000 meters, so we're gonna drive you to the end of the runway. So we have to take the car. So start it.
So it's a long runway. It's a long walk. And he's advising people to take their car. Imagine, picture yourself landing here on American Airlines, JetBlue, United, or whichever airline that we have coming to Dominica. Just picture yourself landing right here. What a wonderful feeling. And Mo, I'm already tired. So I'm not sure how long again I can walk, but I'm gonna try. So this is just an update. This is just showing you the ongoing works that is taking place at the construction of the international airport. You may have heard that Dominica is constructing an international airport, and right now we are on the runway. Don't move. Thank you. Those of you joining me now, this is Emonews, and we are on the store with the cabinet of ministers, the prime minister, or the officials. They are giving us a tour of the work that is going on now. So thank you all for joining me. We are so happy to be here on the store. And at the end of this runway, there is some construction taking place. I think some sea defense wall. The seas are right at the end of this runway. It's a nice little walk that I do not intend to take. I rather take it on a plane. So share the live, tag a friend, and let somebody know that we are showing you the International Airport Project. So get your friends on board, share the live, because pretty soon we will see the completion of this project. So most of the media houses are here. We have DBS, we have GIS, we have Carry FM, and yours truly, Emo News. This is the Minister of Tourism right here in red. Honorable Dennis Charles Pemberton. This is the Cabinet Secretary and the Minister of Agriculture, Roland Rouye, and Karen Privot underneath the black umbrella. So while we are here, don't forget that Carnival opening is on Saturday, the 10th of February. In the streets of Roseau, we have over 60 bands that will parade the streets. So don't forget to head down to Roseau. We've got Spare Our Lives on Saturday. The real mass, our traditional mass. Dominica is a very safe country. Please visit us. Come and enjoy what is unique to us. We have 365 rivers. We have many waterfalls, Victoria Falls, Sari Sari Falls, Freshwater Lake, Spani Falls. We have the best cuisine. Our food is very tasty and very delicious. Our people are very friendly, kind. the home of over 3,000 indigenous people that is in the Kalinago territory. We have the second, the largest boiling lake. Uh, Dominica is only also unique to the sperm whales. go ahead. Let's do it all over again. Sorry, I think they were not hearing us. Sorry about that. Yes.
Okay, right now we are at runway 33, which is one of the extremes of the airport. This is on the Cabana side. Runway 15, which is the opposite end of the runway, is at Woodford Hill side, as you see when you're coming in.
So there are two runways.
There are two extremes of
Two
the
extremes.
runway.
Okay.
Right, we have runway 15 at the Woodford Hill area and runway 33.
Okay.
Okay, that relates to the navigation system. Every airport has its own identity in terms of the extremes of the runway. Now here you are seeing the sea breakers, where we have a retaining wall to the end, and we are filling up this area with 3% soil modification. And at layers we have geogrid. Geogrid helps distribute the soil pressures, so it helps stabilize the layers as we are compacting and we are backfilling. This area is called the RESA. It's the runway and safety area. So in case of an emergency or anything happens during flight landing or taking off, there is an area that can be used for emergency. So this will be filled to meet the runway level, which we are standing on right now. We are on the design level of the runway. Apart from this level, we are coming up with the actual structure of the runway.
I see a beautiful beach right
Yes,
there.
there's a beautiful
It gives
beach.
a St. Martin feeling.
Yes,
Imagine me
very
on
much,
on the
very
beach right
much
now
so.
and a plane is passing over my head. This is like giving me that feeling.
And you will be able to wave.
I want to be the first person there.
Well, you just have to keep in touch with us when we finalize everything.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much for
No
the
problem.
explanation.
Okay.
All right, so you just heard this is the end of runway and all the geological terms that she used. So we are going to be moving back to another area, I think the terminal section right now. So I'm going to end this live and I will resume because it's a long journey. Unless if I get a ride, I'm going to see if I get a ride to head back to the other section. But we say thank you all for joining us. It's my pleasure to bring you this update. I'm happy to be here to share this moment with you. But we are going to say bye bye for now and we'll resume. Just put your notification on and we'll let you know when we are back on to show you the other aspect of this construction that is taking place right here at Wesley. See you all pretty soon, everyone.